Here is the question. Two cells of the same EMF with a different internal resistance R1 and R2 connected in series to send a current through an external resistance R such that R2 is greater than R1. If the potential between terminals of the second cell is 0, then find the R. So here R is given. Two cells R1 and R2 with the same EMF. EMF I will take it as E and here E. So the current flowing I am taking as I and here current flowing is I. Right. Now what he is telling is, if the potential between the terminal of second cell, here second cell's terminal potential is 0. So what I will take it as E minus I R2 is equal to 0. Potential difference between the cell 2 is 0. Then I can write E is equals to I R2. Right. Now we have to calculate the resistance value in terms of small r, because the answer, whatever the options are given, are in terms of small r. So what I will do, I will make the use of the Kirchhoff's law. I will taking the loop as A, B, C, D and A. So I will consider this loop. Then the equation becomes, see here, the loop direction I am taking from the battery is negative. So this EMF becomes positive. So E, now its resistance and current minus I R1. I am taking minus because current is flowing in the direction of loop, hence it becomes minus. Now similarly for this battery, plus E, then here current is flowing through this battery is minus I R2 and current is coming across this resistance capital R. So this is also minus I R is equal to 0. Right. But from the equation number 1 we can replace this I EE by R2, I R2. Right. So this becomes I R2 minus I R1 plus I R2 minus I R2 minus I R is equal to 0. I am just replacing this by this 2. Then here I R2 plus and here I R2 minus get cancelled, and I am sending this term to the right hand side. Then it becomes I R2 minus, these two terms only remained, I R1 is equals to I R. Right. Now we can cancel out I, then R is equals to R2 minus R1. So hence the answer is R2 minus R1.